I am Vivek Kumar. Today I am going to tell you how you can earn with less investment. First of all, you can make many electronic components and you can sell it to market. For example, I am showing you some basic examples. See, this is a speaker. Very small and simple speakers. You can see it had one small speaker, one small tutor, one very small circuit. You can search on internet and you can wire it, you can design your own. This is wooden things and you can start manufacturing of these things. It will cost you less than 100 rupees and you can sell it to market for more than 300 bucks. This is the volume controller. This is net, cloth net. This is tutor and this one is speaker. Another thing is PIR sensor. You can see this. This one is sensor. This one. Yeah. In this one, 3 modules are there. One is 5 volt power supply. One is sensor module you can get from electronics shop where robotics and electronics component project things you are buying. From there you can buy. And another is relay part. Relay part you have to design. That is very simple part. You can search it from internet. And if you can contact us, we can help you in that. This will automatically switch on and switch off lights. If activity will be there, it will switch on the lights. If activity will not be there, it will switch off the lights. Next thing is day-night sensor. You can make it and you can use it in your park lights. Day-night sensors you can use it for your park lights, your parkings, your stairs. When dark will be there, it will automatically glow up, and once light will come, day will arrive, it will automatically turn off. You can make some power supplies. I will show you some. This is 24 volt power supply. You can make it with a case. It will cost you less than 100 bucks. It will cost you less than 100 bucks and you can sell it for market for more than 300. You have to go for this circuit design. We have done at 0 point. And then this component, this is very good component and a nice one. What it does is, if power goes off, it will automatically switch on the LED connected through battery, and once power will come back, it will turn off the LED. This is small microcontroller based development kit. You can say this is a small control card for PIC microcontrollers and you can use it for many developments. You can get many PIC source code for 40 pins microcontrollers and you can fix the PIC here, and these pins you can take as input or output. Here you have to give a 12 volt power supply and this is 5 volt supply from this unit for 7 segment LCD and all. Many other things we will teach you, will tell you, and we can help you in development of many other things. Thank you.